After this, we come to various types of work. Now, basically, there are three types of work: positive work, negative work, and zero work. We will discuss them one by one in detail. First, we will come to positive work. Now, what is meant by positive work? You can see the figure here. At the base, you can see the figure in white color. Work is said to be positive when a force produces displacement in the body in its own direction. That means when a force produces displacement in the body in its own direction, that means force is applied in one direction and displacement also produced in the same direction. So in this case, work done is said to be positive. Best examples we have seen: an engine pulls the train. So the direction of applying force by the engine and the direction of movement of the train, they are same. So work done is said to be positive. Second example, a boy pulls a toy car. We have seen a boy, suppose he tied a thread in the car and pulls it with some angle with horizontal. So in this case also work done is same. Work done is positive because the direction of pulling of the string, direction of application of the force, and the direction of movement of the train, they are same on one direction only. So in this case, the angle between the force and displacement, it can be zero or it can be acute, but it cannot be more than 90 or it cannot be equal to 90. Remember this thing, the angle lies only between 0 and 90. The angle can be 0, the angle can be acute, but it cannot be 90. So in this case, we say that the work done is positive. We can see here written in the blue lines, work done is said to be positive only when the angle is acute or when it is 0. Many examples we can see from daily life about positive work. Just copy down the things from the board, then we will come to the next type. This is simplest of the all three cases. That means we are pulling the object in one direction and the whole object is pulled in the same direction. We apply the force in, suppose, north direction and the body also moves in north direction. We have seen bullock cart. The bullocks pull the cart. The bullocks pull the cart in same direction. That is work done by the bullocks is positive. So these are the examples. You can copy it down now. After discussing the positive work, that is first category, now we come to another category, that is the second one, that is negative work. This is second type of condition which may be somewhat difficult for you to understand. Now what happens in this case, we apply force in one direction but the displacement is produced in the opposite direction. That means we are applying force, suppose east, and the body may move towards west. So in this condition we say that the work done by the force is negative. Okay, just think for an example if you can. I know it is difficult for you to get an example, so let me tell you. Now you can see on the board it is written over there. Suppose we are throwing a ball in the upward direction Now when the ball we are throwing in upward direction, the ball moves up, but the force of gravity, that is the gravitational force, still attracting the body towards the center, that is in the downward direction. So in this case, the work done by the gravitational force is negative. The gravitational force does not perform any work on the body. That means negative force. Now here the angle between the two, that is the force and displacement of the body, may be obtuse or maybe 180. Again, it cannot be equal to 90 as earlier case. So angle between force and displacement is either 180, that is the straight angle, or it can be obtuse, that is somewhere between 90 to 180. Other examples may be magnetic force in case of repulsion. When two magnets repel each other, we bring them closer. That means we apply displacement towards each other, but even then the force make them move in the opposite direction. So this will be the most complicated of all the three types, that is positive, negative and zero. Now there can be other examples like electrostatic force of attraction, that also will be similar to the magnetic force of repulsion as we discussed earlier. Now we come to another category, that is zero work, that is the most important of all.